바든 점배 왕보 양의 매배종 님은 미세주배 뒤에 대점네 저기님 버는 양당 버는 장주바 동바 샤기도 샤블라 근자자 인도섬상제 담제제 뭐 어르당 김부를 장주 고려저와 여러 왕보 바라가마베 샤비들 르만 해봐라 고스분 그 바침배 장 살신 겹수 저 전제라 봐 대도 소로 하나 남가당 냠배 심제 탐제 남제 라나 매바 자와서 배상제제 고마라 진행 장고 버려서 대제도 담배제사 삼모 냠벌지오 냠도 삼바 정주조도 샘제바 원도 언제네 삼바르쇼.
Now think to yourself that you must by any means bring all of our mothers, all sentient beings as limitless as space, to the state of completely perfect Buddhahood, the state of omniscience, and that for that purpose you are listening to the profound Dharma. In this way, please rouse the motivation of bodhicitta before listening to the Dharma. The Dharma that we are listening to are the mind training teachings, the 72 exhortations by Karab Gonchung. And this has 3 sections: the virtue in the beginning, the virtue in the middle, and the virtue in the end. We have completed the first of these. Among the virtue in the middle, we have gone through many of the verses. And so within this, we have come to the discussion of the training and precious discipline. We are on verse 36 in the booklet, 38 in the online, 38 in the booklet, 36 in the online editions. With all the powers in your being, keep cleanly without any stain the precious training and discipline, the cause of gaining a precious human body. And so among all of the 6 classes of samsara, the best are the bodies of the gods and the humans. And these in general are achieved by practicing generosity and so forth. However, we will not be able to gain a precious human body with the leisures and resources unless we keep pure discipline. And so for that reason, we need to keep either the vows of the bhikshu, the novice vows, or the vows of the lay people. It is important for us to maintain a pure and clean training and discipline.
창기 셈을 내내 저정하래. 저기다 루데 개발이나 변매를 잡아. 루데 변매이나 개발을 잡아. 대래 듣고 탐지 좀 그래. 대다 봉시 안 송하래.
To continue this, the text reads, "They stir up the mind and harm the body. They're condemned by the learned and venerable. They are the origin of all wrongs. Give up alcohol and sex." And so this stanza speaks about the causes of all the wrongs, all the faults of samsara. The first of these is alcohol. And then the other is if you are male, feeling lust for women, and if you are a female, feeling lust for men. These are the causes of all faults in samsara.
다 제발 다 비밀이나 제발라 사과대 인지 장바이나다 간도 말해 다 인지를 주베 사sem지 사과다 인지 노래요 아래 살고sem지 되네 인지 인사는 양태를 살고sem을 해서나 네 쉬지 발시체도 제일에 방고래 해서
The next stanza, and the translation is revised to be a bit less literal but more clear to the meaning. The translation should read, "When you are overly helpful toward the women among your disciples, desire masquerading as compassion can create obstacles for the Dharma." And so if you are male and you feel lust for women, or if you are a woman and you feel lust for men, that lust can be mixed with compassion. Now, if it's only compassion, that's no problem. But when you have desire masquerading as compassion, then you can mistake your desire and compassion. And so when that desire masquerades as compassion, you think it's compassion, but it's actually desire, then you should give that up because it can create obstacles for Dharma.
나라 동안에 예세베 녀몽다운 잡아라 저당 힘마마제 바로 뭐뱅아절 제제왕 코아나 동을 봐도 매봐요 아래 대담제게 좀 녀몽바래 대녀몽바제 매봐서 도야라 두고 말해서면 집어다는 마지 bar 다다 투비 니바 미냐양 투기 해삼베게 나자라 공고래 마야 제장
To conquer the enemy afflictions who create suffering for you, do not be afraid or discouraged. Rouse the pride of confidence. So in samsara, there is limitless or inconceivable sufferings, and the cause of this are the afflictions. And we can eliminate the afflictions, but we might think, I can't eliminate the afflictions. But we should give up such a thought, and we should rouse the pride of thinking that in the future we will be able to.
지금의 가장 유명만이 제가 유명보다 빵을 내려오래. 하나서는 유명보다 로시지 그래. 로비시 봐. 탁발을 두드러나는 hin게 로시지 그래. 그 로시인 뭐 하고는 라라 시럽 그3 검수 시럽 끼네. 그 로시인 뭐 하고서는 고향도 그래. 빵 내려고 지라래.
Between ordinary enemies and the afflictions are easier to eliminate. And the reason for this is that there are misconceptions. It's like the misconception of mistaking a rope for a snake. Once you know it, then you have, so once you know that, it's like when you have the prajna that arises from listening, contemplating, and meditation. And once you have that, then it is easy to give up the afflictions, which are misconceptions. Now, if you're going to try to get rid of a worldly enemy, then you might be able to eliminate the enemy for a time being, but at some point in the future, that enemy is going to re-arise and seek revenge. And even if you can entirely eliminate that person, then there are many people who are connected with that person, and they also will try to harm you. And even if you are able to eliminate everyone everyone on the enemy's side, if you were really powerful and could just get rid of them all, even if you could do that, then in your next lifetime, the full ripening of this would be being reborn in hell. So there's just no way you can entirely eliminate your enemies.
네, 뭐 봐도 지르토 삼곰섬 세다도 곰비 톱게 나 빵 톱소나 대네 대라 너미 양요 말이 배요래. 되네 되게 고란게 줄래로야 요 말이 고란데 대바요 네게 신사게 레로 니가양 가양 요 말이 배 마시 볼래라 그래.
But with the afflictions, by engaging in listening, contemplating, and meditation, and in particular by meditating, we will be able to give them up. And there's no ripening there's no full ripening of this. It's entirely beneficial. Nor is there anyone to seek revenge, nor is there anyone who's going to anyone on their side who's going to try to seek revenge on their behalf. So it's extremely easy to eliminate the afflictions.
콩에서 따라서다 내서 나라 세례다 최제 가도 잡고라 무슨 식과 맛이 안 내세에 도달라 되네 매주신 데서 깔려고 요래 아야 대전도 동아 삼제세에게 졸라 최제 가도 때 가도 때문에 전부 말해 전부 말해 졸라 무슨 식과 맛이 안 소리.
The next stanza reads, just as bleeding and burning are cures for internal illnesses, the severe austerities of Dharma are means to cure the sufferings of the lower realms. Don't be too delicate or afraid. So when we want to cure ourselves of an illness, we have to go through some discomfort and hardship to cure ourselves of illnesses. And if we want to, and likewise, if we want to cure ourselves of all the suffering of samsara, we need to go through the hardships and austerities of the Dharma. And these hardships of the Dharma are actually not all that huge. They're not that great, so do not be too delicate and afraid of them.
다다 대공당 근창화당 야사와라서 보통한 때야 소유도고야 말이 걔는 내송습냐와 이사와서 동안 가는 소유도 그래 대 내가 대바다 사장으로 동네 소유도 내송송도 동네 유튜브네 된대 맞서 못 출발해 가는 소유도 그래 출랑.
The next stanza reads, if you are unable to endure such present sufferings as these, your hope to endure the sufferings of the three lower realms is deluded. But the present sufferings, the experience of hunger, heat, cold, thirst, and so forth, and these are not all that difficult to bear. And yet, if we're not able to bear even with heat, cold, and hunger, and so forth, how are we possibly going to be able to bear with the suffering of the three lower realms? So if we're trying to avoid sufferings of heat, cold, and hunger, and so forth, and yet we're accumulating the cause of being reborn in the hells, then our hope to avoid that is just completely deluded.
상체 톱도라 예 따따와도 저랑 다다게 제바 수준송 메도바 내내 땡년제양 약보고 메도바 내내 제나 미르양 톱도고 말해 내내 상제가 간해서 당 톱도고 말해 다루가 내내 쇼바인 선배 따와도 저랑.
The next stanza reads, if you will not gain a precious human body by behaving in the way you do, the high view of hoping to achieve Buddhahood is mistaken. And so if we're not able to practice the training and discipline, if we're not able to practice samadhi, then we're not going to be able to achieve a human body. We're not going to be able to achieve a human body, then there's no hope of achieving Buddhahood. And so the high view of hoping to achieve Buddhahood, the idea that you are a Dharma practitioner, is mistaken.
자민이라는 정도나 lumāyāvā tōmyā, dēyāng kēnyī ngā tuyat nā sācik tū, tōndā sīk mā rāma tuyān chik bār, dēyāng yō kāsā mā rē.
The next stanza reads, "You've gained what's difficult to get, the precious human body with leisures and resources. Don't let what you've got disappear. Grow the everlasting crop." And so this is essentially repeating the same meaning. Likewise, the next stanza, "Meditate on rejoicing in the virtue that others do. If you've an urge to do what you should not, restrain the movements of your body and speech." So again, this is repeating the same meaning but in different words.
大行一家把这是怎么做的？我这么用，他们还有我们的了，他做没把人东西也昂些啊，把这些我等我这么用了，他们他做不的，这人东西昂送的。
The next stanza reads, "The source of supreme and common city, it dispels your own and others' obstacles. Exert yourself without any doubt in the practice of the Yidam deity." Now, the practice of the Yidam is the source, it dispels obstacles for yourself. It's also the source of all cities, so you should exert yourself in its practice.
那三界王婆你把你没别有了，让人那那你朦胧就不当，你觉得这真被他被送下。当然都能把三界把也路了，只能给我不他们这个那里修的什么的，什么修我不知道你要嘛的。
The next stanza reads, "Once the drunken elephant of mind has been dragged away from wrong objects, the gale of the afflictions will blow, so hold it with the rope of mindfulness." Now, in our Buddhist tradition, we say that the most powerful of all things is the mind.
对的呢，明白呢，你明白呢，王的明白的人就说呢，呢。동안로 제가 동수만 운영한 거 보소 그래.
And so because of this, we need to restrain our mind from the wrong objects, the objects that are afflicted, that we feel afflicted for. Because if we do not, we'll experience terrible suffering.
特别这个那小康给你们我们都不干的，三个没法查回，那些靠标这些啊，他那是推三公什么车了啊？推三公什么的，推把奖把车的啦，去推呢，去那些接的，嘞，那两个被少不这个当休闲不是有嘛的，推把奖把了。
It's hard for the low-walled house of words and listening to withstand the armies of afflictions. To build the tower of certainty, strive hard at contemplation and meditation. And so in general, we need to practice listening, contemplating, and meditating. If we only practice listening, then we can develop certainty, but that certainty is not very clear, nor is it very strong. And so that is if we only practice listening.
小康是康把多少毛不去吧，康把穷毛不也吧。电脑让给抓起来，能去说多少说的，没把谁说的。这个天天跑了不抓个么来就那这个送土个嘛的。
And so the low-walled house is one with a low house that when you stay in the house, if an enemy comes, then the enemy can scale it easily, get in easily, and tear it down easily. And so you are not able to defend it against enemies.
特别重的300多年，那边电不是，现在两多人不电不是，我们过呢。电配就知道我现在我都去，上班到光配过呢，我都去想那，很多的除了那些牛啊没吧，别的电不这个的，这靠着标啊，靠着通报，看把被拖着，忙不也吧，通报也吧，电不也吧，这那了，跑到不抓个么无来那下面呀，推了送土嘛的，现在抓了送土过的，怕抓样怕没把样送土过的，靠着标这些啊，我说的。
And so if you contemplate the meaning that you have listened to, then it'll become very stable. You'll have good certainty and it'll be stable, and it will not weaken. then if you meditate upon it, then it'll become manifest and evident the way it is. And so you need to manifest it through listening, or through contemplation and meditating. By doing this, you'll develop certainty that is unchanging and stable. So this is like building a high tower, a tower with many stories that the enemy would be unable to scale and that the enemy would be unable to break their way into. So if you build such a high tower like this, then you'll be able to defend it, and you also will be able to eliminate your enemies.
Tela ndrumi sena dene nilam da mujula samdang da wo dene tönla meba koya wa ge nega khangba da be yula sokbala samma dang songare de milam da gore de lo samma butang yo mare ma mujula milam da gore songare.
The stanza 49 in the booklet and 51 on the online edition reads, "What's built falls down, what's gathered is left behind. You will leave your close relatives and go all alone, but who knows where. A traveler should not plan too much." So you can build a high tower or a house, you can leave, but it'll fall down, and so forth. This is generally easy to understand. Here in the last line, it says a traveler should not plan too much. The Tibetan could also be read as like meaning a person in a dream. So it's all like a dream or an illusion. It's pointless. And so for a temporary time, while you're in samsara, it is there, but it is not lasting. And so you should think of it as like dreams. In other words, you should not think about houses and so forth too much.
民间对别啥说没，现在太阳牛这些，起来这讲没联系，那农民就都点讲，大家讲说，下的人，出去的人，现在千万别打把了爬用住要的，的，这印度农民，然后们那定是光，然后们那忙的人都给我钱嘛多，别那参加着也当，我说一个龙口这样当小剧嘛的。 The
next stanza reads, "There's no place you can stay without dying. Death is certain and will come soon. Nothing can help you when you die. Always keep a sense of urgency." So all of our friends, all of our houses, and so forth. Every day and every hour, we are always rushing closer and closer towards death and impermanence. And so for that reason, we have no time. So we must use what time we have for either we use it for samadhi, we can use it for reciting manis and so forth. We don't have time to just go traveling and rest. We have to keep a sense of urgency. We have no time. Now you have a choice between the lasting pleasure of higher realms and the suffering of the lower realms. Ponder this earnestly. So now, at a time when we have a human body and are practicing Dharma, we've got a choice. In the next lifetime, we can either have the suffering of the three lower realms, or we can have the lasting happiness of the higher realms. And it's up to us. It's in our hands. We have the power to choose. So you have to think carefully. Which do we want?
有些原天没拿原多些吧，有些所说先我过的话참 현재 유노스랑 레가 탑체 봐. 좀 밑에 좀 나와 아시.
The next stanza reads, vile actions, fraud, deceit, cheating, lying, and taking what is not given produce the sufferings of the lower realms. Give up bad actions and misdeeds. The vile actions are fraud. So this is, fraud is like pretending you have qualities that you do not know. Deceit is trying to fool other people. Cheating means trying to get things that you do not have. Lying is telling falsehoods.
마신을 발라서 봐. 맨데레. 너는 성동을 좀 유탐제 봉시 안 성래.
And also stealing or taking that which is not given. All of these vile actions which are causes of the three lower realms. So we need to give them all up.
현재 대화 요즘대 현재 대화 정도나. 로저랑 여발라 진소게라 봉시 안. 현재 대화 유tam지 ben통님 싫어래. 무슨 되게 대화대. 로가시 마도 요 말에.
The pleasures of this life are fleeting. If you want lasting happiness, while you are able to accomplish something, strive at virtues like generosity. The pleasures of this lifetime are fleeting. They do not last long at all, at most a few years. And so now, while we have the ability, we should strive at the causes of lasting happiness. We should strive at accomplishing virtues such as generosity. So these two stanzas explain the path of the lesser type of individual, the individual who is seeking to avoid falling into the lower realms and to achieve the pleasures of the higher realms. Now the next three stanzas describe the path of the middling person. This is an individual who strives at the path, these explain the path of liberating oneself from the suffering of samsara. The next stanza reads, if everything is the deceit of illusion beside the three jewels, there is nothing that if you trust it won't deceive you, so always go for refuge. All of the activities that come about through causes and conditions are deceit. And so the one thing that is not deceitful is the three jewels, so always go for refuge.
코라 대화자는 요 말이 가봐서는 양 대화 중에서는 요 말이 매망보 사샤버게 되네 매 업당다와래 손 매망보 서류나.
The next stanza reads, those in samsara have no happiness. The three innate types of suffering, like cancer, torment people. Meditate on the defects of samsara. So in samsara, there's no happiness at all. No matter where you go, there's never any happiness. And so it's like a place where there's a lot of fire, a lot of fire heaped together. There's no happiness. It's all like a big pit of fire.
동아 솜당 예지동 지리 동아 남바 솜 당도 트이나라 뒤주셰디데 동아 제제 kin용마야 퇴려야 송디브나 독 사만도 된직사리 네 공도야 시베 동아 통도 거기 동아 송어주나 동아 남바 예지도 대연도 거기 동아도 뒤다도 공식 앙 송도.
And so the 3 innate types of suffering, these are the 3 types of suffering, or the 8 types of suffering, and all of them have been explained already in the text, so they've all been mentioned above. So in brief, we just need to meditate upon the suffering of samsara.
다 거기 동아를 까만지기로 겁나? 거기 동아를
Now please spend 1 minute meditating upon the suffering of samsara.
거기는 내가 다 세상와라야 동아를 매봐요 말이 거기 좀 와라야 동아를 말해봐요 말이 모든 나라로 와라야 동아를 말해봐요 말이 넘는 나라로 와라야 동아를 말해봐요 말이 동아를 말해봐야 되네 너도 상예가를 따내도야.
So in samsara, when we're experiencing pleasure, it's not like we won't encounter suffering. When we're in a pleasant place, we'll encounter suffering. When we're going in cars, we'll experience suffering. When we're going in airplanes, we'll experience suffering. No matter where we are, we'll experience suffering, as is said in the words of the Buddha.
어야 하렘 여러 람바 동아 요근종 레상 녀몽다 남의 남제 빵바이 내시티 용대 공식앙 다더진직바래 네 녀몽바 대다 시럽지 떡지 네 빵거래 대양 다음에 봐 다음에 배 동반이 그 되게 빵거래.
The next stanza reads, grasping is the cause of suffering. Discard through the path of selflessness the origin, karma, and afflictions. Cultivate the qualities of path and happiness. So again, this is similar in meaning. We need to, the afflictions are given up by the afflictions are given up by the prajna of selflessness, and that means the emptiness. We give them up through meditating upon emptiness.
동아 탐지 땡도시 딴 제메바 동아 해메바 땡도시 대 연전 공식 앙 대양 샴들이 자주 송도 대값 검단 특사리 양데 샴을 잡지 송도.
And so if we want to give up all suffering and permanently or permanently pacify our suffering and develop develop the qualities of happiness and peace. The meaning of this is described later as well, so we will speak about it then. Next, it speaks about anger. From anger, you jettison your own aims and sadden friends and relatives. Do not throw the poisoned dart harsh words. Give up your ill nature, hatred. Anger and hatred destroy your own aims and your own purposes. They also make it unpleasant and unhappy, make your friends and relatives unpleasant and unhappy. And so you shouldn't get angry and speak harsh words. Give up your anger. And so now we're talking about the path of not only achieving liberation for ourselves, but also the path of achieving liberation for ourselves and all other sentient beings. So we're beginning the discussion of the path of the greater type of individual.
Rangi nyamla pa ne so rangi yula dawa khande ndu dunga chowa khande ndu tela pa ne rang dewa nyang du khande ndu dunga nyang du tela pa lang wa tela pa ne da da shen tam je nyom bar gom chi ang che ding chi jong dang ne ko wa la tar go ba yemi nyom bar gom chi ang so.
So you and other beings are the same in wanting pleasure and not wanting pain. And so we and all other sentient beings were all the same in wanting pleasure and not wanting pain. Extrapolate from your own experience. So you look at what is it like when you feel pleasure in your own being? What is it like to feel suffering and pain in your own being? What is this like? And then you extrapolate from that. You take it as an example, or you extrapolate from that. Then you meditate that you and all other sentient beings are the same. That you are equal in wanting to achieve happiness and in wanting to be and equal in needing to be liberated from samsara. For the kind beings of the three realms who have been your parents in past lives, abandon all malice and hostility and cultivate loving kindness and compassion. So among all sentient beings, there is not one at all who hasn't been your parent. You all have you have had intimate connections with all of them. And so you should give up all your malice and hostility and instead cultivate the loving kindness that is the wish to bring them happiness, and the compassion that is the wish to free them from suffering. When you cause harm to sentient beings, the compassionate victors feel like parents whose only child is killed. There's no way at all that it could please them. So in the world, when the child is harmed, then the parents are also harmed. And for the Buddha, the Buddha's compassion for all sentient beings is even stronger than the love that parents have for their children. So when you harm sentient beings, then it is displeasing to the Buddhas.
그 동을 탐제 그 내장 영몽 줄에 좀 대양 다도 내종에 남이 되라 네 또식 ang지 다들은 냠hin다 냠샤다 지독니요래 다들은 냠샤 송요래
All the sufferings of samsara arise from the cause karma and afflictions. Those arise from conceiving of a self. So look at egolessness. Now, when we engage in practice, there is our formal practice of meditation, and then there is the post-meditation. This is speaking about the practice of meditation, the formal practice.
코에게 동할 탐제 레레 종아래 레데 녀모발레 종아래
All of the suffering of samsara arises from karma, and that karma arises from afflictions.
녀모발에요 나도 또 발레 종아래 나 삼다 센즈바텔레 종아래
And the afflictions arise from conceiving of a self, the thought there's me, you're thinking there's a self.
나도 셈바테 로도레 요마레 네발라 예발 출소하레
And that thought of ego clinging is a misconception. There is no self. It is projecting what the non-existent as existing.
다양 모란게 르게 치나 갈란도 자나양 니에요 말이
And no matter where you look, inside your body or outside, you will not find it.
섬께지 응마다 다다다 심마숨 갈라데 대양 대요 말이 다대요 말이
And when we look at the mind, the previous moment, the present and the future moments, no matter which we look in, there's no me.
대다를 제네 공부래 다이 제네 공부래
And so we need to analyze in this way and do meditation.
다당부 르시나나 젠 때도 공아
And so first think about it within whether there's a me inside or outside of your body.
아야 다 섬께진 것이 가나양 요 말이 대배섬양 요 말이 다대섬양 요 말이 마호배섬양 요 말이 될 따네 겁니다.
And also, the past and future and present moments of the mind do not exist. There is no past mind, no present or future mind. So please meditate and analyze this.
너 양지 송진이 장차와이 뭐라서 되냐 말이야 로에 열린데 봐이 신도근당 차로왕 시소라서봐 송화 나는 미기는 라서봐 니봐 다 송진이 라다 예나 배만不写요래 다이나양 송진이 니당你的做了有嘛的，台上查了话也。
The next stanza, verse 62 in the book or 64 on the online editions, reads, "Free of apprehender and apprehended, your own mind has never arisen. It is beyond the sphere of intellect, so you must be free of all desires." So the apprehended is the external forms, external objects such as form and so forth, the apprehender, the internal I and so forth. And if you break them down into smaller categories, there are an incredibly large number of them. So basically, in brief, none of these actually exist. So we are free of apprehender and apprehended.
sem kunso chubala namdola jiwayo de sem ge ngole jiwayo yo mare jiwame jo ngaba yo mare jenga ni dang chale de ne chube töntabe sem.
And the nature of your mind, the ultimate nature of the mind, has no arising at all. It is never arising. So your mind is relative. It doesn't actually arise, and because it doesn't arise, it does not cease. And so for that reason, it is only relative. So it is beyond the sphere of intellect.
Never. Tayang Tada Loi Samsa Meva Loi Samsa Medi Siki Jubasawa Mahimba Samjule Deva.
And so it is something that you cannot think about with your mind. And because you can't think about it with your mind, the ultimate is also something that cannot be described. So it is inconceivable and indescribable.
Deva Chirna Sambata Jubile Deva Chirna Shintu Dangarango Sengun de Balayang 인바지를 신 거로 야만다 멤바지를 신 거래 인바다 멤바니 마도 신되네 로인 네 진실이요 말 야만다 인바지인데 야만다 멤바지 대양 인바다 멤바양 마인바.
And so, because it's indescribable and inexpressible, then it cannot be. Then you cannot grasp it. You cannot be attached to it. Usually, when we're attached to the mind, when we have attachment or desire in our mind, we're attached to it being or attached to it not being. And since it transcends that, it cannot be either of these. And so we cannot be attached to the mind at all, because we'd be attached to it as being either being or not being, and so we are beyond that. Either that, or we grasp it as being something existent, something real, or we grasp it as being nothing, non-existent, blank, and emptiness. We grasp it as it either being something or nothing. And so, otherwise, alternately, we can have worldly sorts of thoughts, and we need to be free of all these. And so there's this ultimate nature of the mind that is inconceivable and indescribable, that it's not existent, or it is not something, it is not nothing, it is not both. And this is something that we need to think about many times. It's also taught as being free of elaborations. It's taught as being luminous. So the Buddha taught about it in many different ways, and all of these are to teach what is beyond conception and description. And that nature, that ultimate nature, is something that we cannot realize through mere words alone, through dry words. They do not help. And so they're the teachings that have been passed down from Vajradhara, who is in the realm of Akanishta Ganavyuha, or the words of the Buddha Shakyamuni, who appeared in this world. They're the words that have been passed down from them. These have the power of blessings. They have the power of the blessings and activity of these two Buddhas. And it is through these that we must realize the actual nature. And the power of this blessing, the power and activity of the blessings has not dissipated. Even today, there are people who achieve realization of this ultimate nature through the power of the blessing. In the next stanza, there is a change in it. It should read, "A beginner's realization is clear, but it has no stability. Don't toss it on the winds of thought. Hold it with the rope of mindfulness." So there are people who have this realization, but for us beginners, at first when we have the realization, there's clarity, but it is not stable. It changes, it goes away. Maybe we have it for a while, and then there's a thought that comes and it hides it. We have it, it's clear for a moment, but it's not stable, so then it's hidden, and a thought comes, and then we don't have it. It's like there's the sun, and the cloud comes in front of, hides the suns, and the cloud goes away, there's the sun, and then the clouds come again. And so it's that way. We have the realization, but then thoughts keep coming. A thought comes and we lose it. Then we have realization, then we are distracted and we lose it for a moment. So most of us are beginners, so our realization is not stable. And so while we are in samsara, there are many distractions, there are many thoughts, and if we follow the thoughts, then we will lose it. They'll just keep going one right after another, and we will not be able to maintain it. And so grasp it with the rope of mindfulness. At all times, we need to just remember the meaning of the nature. We need to continually remember it. And so day and night, we need to continue remembering and meditating upon the nature of the ultimate nature. And so for this reason, the great Kadampa and Kagyu masters of the past didn't stay among many people. And they didn't speak much, because when you speak a lot, then many different thoughts occur. It stirs up the winds that cause thoughts, and that interrupts the continuum of the meditation. So you shouldn't speak much.
Gajubaka Gomzen Kache, Tene, Lametona, Gom T, Toba Jula J. Helamekunda Yurungo, De, Round Toba, Tenesago, Tombo, Yawarendo, Tene, Rizu and Roese, Lamekundula, Tene, Tamsasen, Nizo, Tamsegme, Tamsasendo, Mini Son, Temi Tamambo, Shedeva, Damambo, Shedeva, Tesegme, Gazamashi and Shake, signature, Zoja, was it? Temado Tamsan, Shigma, Tamsaseni, Nizo, Tamseri, Minin Zom, Tenlado, Tamsheva. All that Tamdan, to make Tamsan Shigme, Tampang, Tene, and Rotinic, Gazamashi and Shake about 6 years in Masayama, Tene, Dede, Lojundo, the Tobalunga Maku Tabla, Nizo Tampang, Nizo Tampang Bains.
In the histories, there are stories of great Kagyu meditators in the past who had spent a long time with their gurus. They would receive instructions. They would develop realization, and when they got to a high level of realization and experience, then they would go off into mountain retreats. And at that point, they would make a commitment or take an oath in front of their guru that they wouldn't have any two-person conversations. I mean, so occasionally they would have to use a few words that were absolutely necessary to say, but they wouldn't have any two-person conversations where you get together and have two people engaging in conversation. So they made this oath that they would not engage in such conversations. They made the oath, "I shall not engage in this." And the reason they did this is to avoid stirring up the wind that causes the thoughts. And so for this reason, not engaging in two-person conversations was a method to keep from stirring that up.
ngazo samsamla sangamala khala sakando soju nire de sumre sinde tene sagamre gujagala de kaje de sheda maje 이런 데와 되게 되는 영모 폐결해 곰딩에서네 유로연이야 냠도 그래 미소 땀대다 지죠 말에 곰쟁이는 되게 지죠 말에.
Or else you might go to a restaurant. You spend 2 or 3 hours over a leisurely meal chatting with people. And as you spend a long time, then what happens is that it increases the inflictions. And even if you have developed samadhi within yourself, then it diminishes the samadhi. So that's just sitting. That's engaging in two-person conversations. And this is harmful for the great meditators.
배팅 잡아요래. 그래요. 또 그래. 까마를 세계를 좋은 할 때 조조 숨이 무슨 좋은 시간 타니로 송사래 되니 가하고요 말해.
And when you're spending 2 or 3 hours sitting there chatting in a restaurant, then your minds get distracted. Actually, our human lifetime is like a battery. It just keeps on running down and down, and we're getting closer to the moment of death. And who knows how soon that's going to come.
아야. 바데 중앙나라 대인용된다. 세계에서 금지 랑 양념 고속 사바다. 근데 다 니조 그다음에 등산배 매 야신분 지라ren도 되게 니가 좀 지라도. 가방하면 대가서랑 동사진에 여 말에. 나 근데 되게 냠도로 지라 누그래. 되게 두나라 야고 쓰러지. 동서지라 방장나로 제세.
So for those of you who have been in retreats, or those of you who have received Mahamudra instructions and begun the meditation, these conversations, two-people conversations, are really dangerous, and it's explained in the instructions. And these days, there are more and more opportunities to do this. So those of you, if you look in the old instructions, you see that it teaches that you should not do this. It increases your thoughts. So you should give it up.
네, 저도 내로 돼야 말어বে 타이신 망게 차와라. 제가这样면서be 등도 차와 지향. 내로부터나 강양 좋아요 말에.
The next stanza reads, "No nature at all can be established, so it's inherently free of the four extremes. Within that, no mind can be conceived, so be free of any thought of an apprehender."
대양되는 타시 따바단 세바 나의 바다 멤버라서베 타시 당본에 잘와래. 대라 시베가 타시라 니사요 말에. 되네 내로 된당 된발 시바 대양 타시라 민진도당 잘와래 지시앙.
And so the nature cannot be established at all. It is free of the four extremes, the extremes of permanence, of nihilism, of existence, of non-existence. It's free of all the extremes. And so in the mind, there aren't any of these four extremes. It fits very well with the nature. And so be free of any thought of an apprehender. Be free of the apprehending thoughts.
조금 밀람 요반다 덴뱅어 보 제양메 메신나메 응어벌 신바 마샤 다초 덤데 데서 나와 총제당 모자당 되네 네 남불로 소바 되네 나와 남바 나서인데 밀람도 기만다 바래 밀람도 기만도 죄송하래 내양 주진 줘 바래 밀람이 주진을 종하래 그 직바래 이만이 직바래.
Phenomena are all like dreams and illusions. There is no true thing at all. Do not have too much fixation for things that appear, though non-existent. So all phenomena are, whether we think about houses or places or airplanes or trains, all of the appearances, they're all illusions and dreams. They arise from causes and conditions. Illusions and dreams arise from causes and conditions. They are the same. They're just illusions and dreams.
대단한 때 지금 제가 쓰고 겁니다. 다음제 용 주제는 좀 찍바래 삼나 저는 그 뭐를 해봐 좀 그래
So now please spend half a minute meditating upon this, that all phenomena are like dreams and illusions and arise from causes and conditions. This will decrease our attachments.
네, 다 달라 뭐를 현바 마시 안세. 대인데 선게 현바대양 유마 인나양 유마라양 현바쇼가 내가 요래. 유마도 임 하고나야 밀람도 임 하고나야. 현바대양 고 주진의 송을 해 말해. 대양 뭐 술다네 검는 셈 술다네 검아.
And so it says here, give up all do not have too much fixation. So give up fixation. And so within our, we shouldn't be fixated on our mind either. Even if we know something is an illusion, we can be fixated on it as an illusion. Even if we know that it's a dream, we can be fixated on the dream. So we shouldn't be attached to that. That attachment also arises from causes and conditions. So please meditate upon this.
대답은 저 안제 다 대제라 내로도라 뭐로 야매람 되게 견대다 술배 견대 매로에 디봉가라 봉시가 안 대답은 오동바인 발라 때니 유단대부 매로와 중앙에 대야 주마도 매람다고 인발라 때니 유단대부 매로와 중앙에 대인들 득바 참문에 방 개와 참문에 드세고래 봉시 안 소래.
So do not have too much fixation. So the next stanza reads, like causes and effects in dreams, though not established in the actual nature, karma and result of the confused are unfailing. Give up misdeeds and strive at virtue. So because their nature is empty, cause and effect are undeceiving. Because they're like dreams and illusions, cause and effect are unfailing. So therefore, you should be very careful to give up misdeeds and strive at even small virtues.
ngāze dēlā jebā gōm shīnshī sō lā phāw jāng dōm dōm mē tā ngāze kī tīkpā nā lā jebā gōm yā ngā mā lā tīkpā shēpā yō rē tā ngā tū tīkshā shēpā nā bū tīkshā tū tāw tū shēkī yō rā bā shīnshī sō lā dōm tīkpā mē shēpā ngā tū shū shēpā tam shēkī tū tāw tū shēkī yō rē tē lā nēn tēn shī shē yī sō rē.
Next stanza reads, cultivate regret for your past misdeeds. From now on, refrain from them, even if it should cost your life. So there are the misdeeds we've done in the past, those we've done in past lifetimes, and so we should always do practices like reciting the sutra in 3 sections to purify them. So even if it should cost you your life, always strive at the antidote, the virtue of refuge and bodhicitta.
Nā tādu yamru simji nī yīnā la simji jīsung tu, nī simji chārī tu, kādā pāñi nōr sōng rābu īnsā rī. Yamru simji nīmā tākwa chē gu rī, āyā.
So always strive at the antidote, the virtue of refuge and bodhicitta. So here you should always strive, you should always do refuge and bodhicitta every day.
Nīmbu kēlā mbōngshī āng, tētā pa yamru simji tī tīkbi nīmbu yīn sōng rī.
So this is teaching that refuge and bodhicitta are the antidote for the misdeeds.
Kē ngōbu chūngō yā rēbu mē sē chēmbō rī njō rā. Nā chūsum ngō wā tham chē lā simji ngō tu tōngshī āng. Kē wē chūng chūng tōng yā kē wā jā chēmbō rī jūr tōng kē, tū yā tu simji lā tēn ngō wā tī yā simji dā, ngō wā ngō lam tu tu jā pa chē shī āng sōng rī.
So even a trifling virtuous thing will become an inexhaustible result. Precede all demonstrations of the 3 times the resolve of bodhicitta. So even a small virtuous action can be huge, can become huge, and so you first have to have the bodhicitta and then engage in the dedication.
다 되게 앙조마게 바도 개와 좀 다 타만 죽도 타마르게 시그데 내라.
So that completes the second main section, the virtue in the middle, and now we have come to the conclusion, the virtue in the end.
ndrden chodang lo de na ngesong dong la gung cha de na ga mong bar to ai ha mi de wa jong ang da ang ju ju ni ma de dang xue xie ga nyam tun song na de ne dong a tham je dang cha den du de wa to ge song le.
So it reads, if your mind comes into harmony with this advice, you will be freed from all sufferings in the lower realms, and in the short term you'll gain the pleasures of the higher realms of gods and humans. And so if your mind, if your Dharma practice and your Dharma activities and practice come into the harmony with the advice taught here in these 72 exhortations, then you will be freed of all suffering.
konde ni la mene be la me chang chung ru ba ang den de nyam so la ba ta du de mi ba cha de je ba chang chu gu long gu chu gu som ni yi xin na ba xi dang dian ba top ne ko la ya mene ba sim je tham je ge thön de ba ko la ya mene ba de bu ku xi to ba nyang ge de ba la ya mene ba ko ma dong bu de sim je ge thön je ba
Ultimately, you'll purify the 2 obscurations and have the 3 kayas and 4 wisdoms. You will achieve the unexcelled enlightenment that dwells in neither samsara nor nirvana. And so as you practice, the ultimate result of this is that you eliminate the 2 obscurations and their imprints. You will achieve the 3 kayas of the Nirmanakaya, Sambhogakaya, and Dharmakaya, and you will achieve also the 4 wisdoms. And so because of this, you will not remain in samsara, because you will be focused on the benefit of sentient beings. And you will achieve the result of the three kayas and four wisdoms. You will not remain in nirvana until samsara has been emptied. You will work for the benefit of sentient beings, and you will achieve, in this way, you will achieve the unexcelled enlightenment. So the exhortation is saying here that you definitely will achieve this.
제바 장카라 검정게 카라 자예 검으로 잠배 아니 눈주자님아 조소 스타트바인 송래.
And so then it reads, this completes the 72 exhortations written by Karak Gomchung from Tsang at Karak Tsa Monastery. So this ends the text.
다들 주제인 집에 개완되니 나고도 뭐람지 젠dem세 바리쇼.
Now please seal the merit of listening and teaching the Dharma to the benefit of all sentient beings.